I will talk about how can you enable missed call notification on your Whoscall app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Whoscall app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down here. So then you come here to missed call notification, just click in this sign. Like you see here, this color show for us, that's mean missed call notification enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.